coaches, I hope you had a great summer. Hope you've been able to recharge and reconnect with your families and those that truly matter to you. I do appreciate you all, and I really hope you've taken the time to relax and to just really get back to being you and reminding yourself why you're in there. I know for me, it's the same as our motto, developing character in student athletes while igniting the passion and courage to compete. When I see our student athletes growing as people, I know we're doing the right thing and that we're able to push forward. Now, there's some quick news and notes that I'd like to just remind you of and tell you of. And actually, I almost meant to forget to skip. The first couple of notes I'd like to tell you about is one, we have hired our new soccer coach, Alex Zimmerman. Played at North Hall High School and coached at Clark Central. He's coming to us as a wealth of soccer knowledge and multilingual as he's able to speak Spanish, and we're excited to have him. And then we have Coach Clayton coming to us from Jefferson to help in wrestling and to grow that area. So we're really excited about these two. We do still have one more hire to do this summer, looking to wrap this up and get it done hopefully in the next couple of weeks. I know we've heard a lot of great things that are going on with our programs. I know football has been doing a lot of 7-on-7, a lot of basketball games being played. So really excited about some of the progress that some of our sports are doing. Real quick agenda today. One, Dragonfly. Please reminder that I want to make sure everybody gets their physicals turned in and that every student is checked off. Remember, they're ineligible unless they are checked off, so please make sure we do that. Also, a good time to meet with your boosters to make sure we are getting tax exempt. Remember, you can't use the school's tax exempt. You must have your booster club to be tax exempt. And the best place to do that is use parentboosters.org. I'm going to come back to weekly emails to families. Trainer, Coach G or Mr. G sent out a time frame that he'll be out here during the summer. Please make sure that we are following that, checking with your athletes. And if you need some extra help, reach out to Coach Mr. G and he will make sure we get everything accomplished. Sponsorship. If you haven't already sent me the businesses you're reaching out, please let me know. And please also send me an update with what's going on with your various sponsorships as well. We are continuing to move forward with that and want to get that wrapped up and grow as much as we can. Summer heat. Mr. G has also been sending out our wet ball readings. We actually haven't been over yet, but I know this week's going to be a hot one. So please make sure that you are following that. Make sure you are taking the proper precautions with the amount of rest and water breaks we need, or maybe not even practicing if need be. And then finally, remember, I will be running eligibility in July. So please, all your fall sports coaches, send me that information. So last two quick things is preseason fall meetings. Coaches, if you'd like to go ahead and get your meeting done over the summer, let me know. We'll set up some time. Be glad to meet with you over the summer while after one of your workouts if you'd like. And then the last thing, one thing I'm going to ask each of our coaches to do with your respective teams is I'd like you to send out a weekly email to your families about what's going on. And I'm going to start by setting the example myself. I'm going to do mine through these various screencasts to give you kind of quick updates about what's going on with the school. And I'll do it kind of weekly just as we go forward. So though I will take the next couple of weeks off as I'll be on vacation, I did want to let you know that's a requirement that we're going to ask each of our coaches to do as we move forward. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a great summer and take care.